Positive and negative sentences. Meeting 1. Hello, come back again with me. I am Miss Dita Aulia, and today, as usual, I'm going to teach you online. So for today, we have meeting 1. The lessons are grammar, vocabulary, and the last is structure. So, we go to the first is about grammar. It is about positive and negative sentences. Positive sentences are sentences which are agreeing in some conditions, and we don't use not in positive sentences. Jadi di kalimat positif itu adalah kalimat-kalimat yang menyetujui beberapa kondisi, dan di kalimatnya tidak akan ditemukan kata not. Okay? Menyetujui beberapa kondisi. That's positive. And negative is sentences which disagree in some conditions, and we use not. Sebaliknya dari positif, kalau positif menyetujui beberapa kondisi, nah negatif tidak menyetujui beberapa kondisi. Dan kalau di positif tidak menggunakan not, di negatif menggunakan not. So we go for the examples. This one. I am studying English online. Is this positive or negative? Saya sedang belajar bahasa Inggris secara online. If it is positive, there is no not. Kalau dia positif, tidak ada not. If it is negative, there is not. Tapi kalau dia negatif, ada not-nya. So in this sentence, positive or negative? It is yes. It is positive. There is no not here. Nggak ada not. So the second is, my teacher is not a man. Guru saya tidak seorang pria. Bukanlah seorang pria. Is this positive or negative? Yes, that is clearly negative. Tentu saja jelas itu adalah kalimat negatif because there is not, karena ada not. Kita tidak setuju bahwa guru saya itu adalah seorang pria. Yes, Miss Dita is a man. Is that right? No, of course, yeah. Miss Dita is a woman. Miss Dita is not a man. So that's a negative sentence. Itu kalimat negatif. Next, beside is not, we can shorten it become isn't. Ini juga termasuk kalimat negatif yang dipendekkan. Isn't, not-nya digabung dengan helping verb-nya, isn't. My teacher isn't a man. If you found like this, if you find a sentence like this, it is also negative sentence. Jadi kalau ketemu kalimat yang begini, isn't, yang pendek-pendek begini, itu juga termasuk negatif. Isn't itu kependekan dari is not. Okay? Do you understand? Yes. Next is the second. Children must not play in the rain. Is this a positive sentence or a negative sentence? Ini kalimatnya positif atau negatif? Anak-anak seharusnya tidak bermain di hujanan. Yes, it's clearly negative sentence, miss, because there is not. Karena ada not. So, it is negative. Anak-anak tidak seharusnya. Next, like what I've told you before, mustn't is also negative because it is the shorten of must not. Jadi kalau mau menyingkat must not, mustn't itu juga termasuk negatif ya. Mustn't, kependekan dari must not. Next is we are singing now. Kita sedang bernyanyi sekarang. From this sentence, it is positive or negative? Clearly, it is positive because we don't find any not in the sentence. Karena kita nggak ketemu kata not di kalimatnya. Jadi ini adalah kalimat positif. So, we have to study about helping verbs. Because why? Because sometimes, not sometimes, mostly, not in negative sentences are put after helping verbs. Jadi not itu kebanyakan dan memang biasanya seperti itu. Not itu digunakan atau diletakkan setelah helping verbs. So what are helping verbs? Jadi apa itu helping verbs? Seperti artinya kata kerja bantu. So we use helping verbs to help the main verb. Kita gunakan helping verb kata kerja bantu untuk membantu kata kerja utama. There are 4. Ada 4. So the first is to be. Kata bantu yang pertama itu to be. To be itu adalah kata bantu ya. Or we call it auxiliary verb. Atau juga kita bilangnya auxiliary verb. And as you know, there are 5 to be. Ada 5. Am is are for present. Was were for past. Which is the meaning bisa jadi adalah berwarna, berumur. Kita gunakan to be ini di berbagai macam kalimat dan dia membantu kalimat itu. So for example, am is used for subject, I in the present tense is used for subject she, he, it in the present tense, and are is used for you, they, we in the present. So was is for I, she, he, it in past tense. Were is used for I, you, they, we in the past. So I itu bisa kalau subjek I itu bisa was ataupun were waktu dia past tense. Okay. The second is to do, yang menunjukkan melakukan, to do. There are kind of helping verbs. Ini juga dibilang helping verbs. Do, does, did. There are 3. Do, does for present. Did for past tense. Do for subject I, you, they, we. Does for subject she, he, it. And did is for subject I, you, they, we, she, he, it in the past. So from this, we have to use not after them. Setelah kalian mengetahui kalau helping verbs to be itu am, is, are, was, were, to do itu do, does, did, kita kalau mau buat kalimat negatif harus meletakkan not setelah mereka. Am not, is not, are not, was not, were not, do not, does not, did not. Like that. Until here, understand? So we go to the third helping verb is to have, yang menunjukkan memiliki or sudah. So have, has for present, had for past tense. Have subject I, you, they, we, and has subject she, he, it. And had for subject I, you, they, we, she, he, it. The last is modals. These are so many. Ini banyak ya. Can bisa, could bisa, can for present, could for past tense, must harus, might harus, must for present, might for past tense. Will and would akan, will for present and would for past tense. Shall and should akan, shall akan and should seharusnya. So we use not after all the helping verbs. So for example, have not, has not, had not, cannot, could not, must not, might not, or may juga bisa. Will not, would not, should not, or shall not. Okay? we use not after them. So the first is we talk about to be. This is the example. My brother is handsome. That's the first sentence and it is positive. Ya kan, kalimat itu adalah kalimat positif. Abang saya ganteng. You agree that your brother is handsome. Kalian setuju bahwa abang kalian itu ganteng. For example, contoh aja. So if we change into negative, kalau kita mau ubah ke negatif, only put not after the to be. Letakkan aja not setelah to be. My brother is not handsome. You disagree that your brother is handsome. Kalian tidak setuju bahwa abang kalian tuh ganteng, makanya kalian bilang, my brother is not handsome. Okay? If you want to shorten it, kalau mau disingkat, it is going to be my brother isn't handsome. That's it. That's how to change positive sentence using to be to negative sentence. Itu cara mengubahnya kalau kita pakai to be. The next example is the girls were at home yesterday. Anak perempuan itu berada di rumah kemarin. Is this a positive sentence? Yes, of course, there is no not in the sentence. Ya, tentu aja karena nggak ada not di kalimatnya. So, if we want to change, kalau kita mau tukar, plus not after the to be. Tambahkan aja not setelah to be-nya. The girls were not at home yesterday. Or, if you want to shorten, the girls weren't at home yesterday. Okay? That's very, very easy. So we go to the next is to do. Melakukan. The man paints every Thursday. That's positive. Itu yang pertama positifnya. Pria itu melukis setiap hari Kamis. This is called positive sentence because we cannot see any not in the sentence karena kita gak melihat ada kata not. Jadi ini adalah kalimat positif. Kalian setuju memang faktanya bahwa pria ini menggambar atau melukis setiap Kamis. So if we want to make or there's not the fact, itu nggak faktanya, dia nggak setiap Kamis. Jadi kita change into negative becomes the man does not paint every Thursday. We change paints become paint. Ini kita belajar di present tense, udah pernah pastinya. Paintnya tidak pakai S lagi karena udah ada does, dan does-nya kalau dibuat ke negatif plus not. If you want to shorten, kalau mau dipendekkan, it becomes doesn't. The man doesn't paint every Thursday. Okay, do you get it? Of course, we go to next sentence. It is the woman painted last Thursday. Wanita itu melukis Kamis lalu. That's a positive sentence because we cannot see any not here. Karena nggak ada not di kalimatnya. So if we want to change that it is not the fact, itu nggak faktanya. So the woman did not paint last Thursday. Painted becomes paint, and we change did plus not. Okay, did not paint. This is past tense, and you have a little bit know about this. So if you want to shorten, it becomes the woman didn't paint last Thursday. Next is to have, memiliki. A girl has eaten the apple. That's the positive. Have here is for present perfect or past perfect. Sudah yang artinya adalah sudah atau telah. Seorang anak perempuan telah memakan apel tersebut. You cannot find not, so it called positive sentence. Karena nggak ada not, itu adalah kalimat positif. So if you want to change into negative, it becomes a girl has not eaten the apple. Put not after has. Letakkan not setelah si has. And if you want to shorten it, it becomes hasn't. Okay? Next is modals. there are so many of them, so I give you only some examples. Kasih beberapa aja. Children must wash their hands. Anak-anak harus mencuci tangan mereka. You cannot see not here. Kalian nggak bisa lihat ada not. So, it is positive sentence. Jadi ini adalah kalimat positif. So if we want to change into negative, it's going to be children must not wash their hands. If we want to shorten, I'm sorry. If we want to shorten, it's going to be children mustn't wash their hands. That's it, yeah. You have none. So the second example is I could watch the movies all day. Saya bisa menonton semua film-film itu satu harian. Yes, that's a positive sentence. We cannot find not here. Kita nggak ketemu not di kalimatnya. So if we want to change into negative, it's going to be I could not watch the movies all day. Or we want to shorten it becomes I couldn't watch the movies all day. Saya tidak bisa menonton film-film itu seharian. Yeah, your eyes will burn. Mata kan bakalan merah, bakar satu hari nonton. Don't do that. Jangan lakukan itu ya. Next is we can go to the zoo. Kita bisa pergi ke kebun binatang. That's a positive sentence. There is no not. But in fact, tapi faktanya, no, the zoo is closed. Kebun binatangnya tutup, so we cannot go to the zoo. Kita tidak bisa pergi ke kebun binatang, or we shorten it becomes we can't go to the zoo. That's for the examples. So now take out your grammar book, unit 17 and page 21. It talks about positive and negative sentences. And you can see this is the page of your grammar book. So I'm going to explain and you are going to do after my explanation. Part A, make the sentences negative by using not. Buatlah kalimat-kalimat berikut menjadi kalimat negatif dengan menggunakan not. Of course, negative use not. So for example, contohnya, my brother is fat. Abang saya itu gemuk. So, if you want to change into negative, put not after to be. Helping verbs. Letakkan not setelah to be-nya. My brother is not fat. You disagree that your brother is fat. Kalian tidak setuju kalau abang kalian gemuk, jadi kalian harus tukar. My brother is not fat. Okay, that's it. For number 1, Xiuling is angry. Which one is helping verb? Yang mana helping verbnya? Is. So, letakkan not after is. Xiuling is not angry. Or we can shorten it becomes Xiuling isn't angry. That's correct. Tuh, itu juga benar. So, number 2, they could see her. Which one is the helping verb? Yang mana helping verbnya? Yes, good. Number 3, this is your book. Which one is helping verb? Yang mana helping verbnya? 4 and 5, please do by yourself. If you have finished part A, we continue to part B. It is make the sentences positive. The opposite of part A. Sebaliknya, kita harus membuat kalimat-kalimat ini menjadi positif. So there is no not. Nggak ada not. For example, contohnya, the boys are not playing. Anak laki-laki itu tidak sedang bermain. But in fact, they are playing. Tapi faktanya mereka itu sedang bermain. Jadi, there is no not. Gak ada not lagi. The boys are playing. That's a very easy sentence. Number 1, she is not a teen girl. We remove it, not. Kita hilangkan notnya. So it becomes, she is a teen girl. You agree that the girl is thin. Jadi kalian setuju bahwa perempuan itu langsing atau kurus. So So there is no not anymore. Gak ada lagi not. So number 2, 3, 4, and 5 remove not. Hilangkan notnya. So they are going to be positive. Bakalan jadi positif. Do them after you finish. Setelah kalian selesai, please take a picture of them so I can check them. Tolong diambil foto, kirimkan ke WhatsApp Miss biar Miss cek. So next is structure. It is on your worksheet. Di worksheetnya the first or the second page, I think. Di halaman kedua. Sure. So it's like this. Choose the correct answer. Pilihlah jawaban yang benar. So for example, number 1, we have to choose which one is correct. We blanks singing right now. That's negative. Buat ke kalimat negatif. Negative. So we isn't, aren't, wasn't, or weren't. Kalau we itu biasanya pakai are ataupun were. Tapi di sini we have to look at again the adverb of time. Kata keterangan waktunya. It is right now. Right now means sekarang. So sekarang is present continuous tense. To be present adalah are. So number 1 is aren't. For number 2, we change it into positive. Ditukar ke positif. Positive. And number 3 is same like number 1, sama dengan nomor 1. But this is past, tapi ini lawan katanya this year. Past itu artinya kata keterangan waktu yang lampau, telah lampau. So what is going to be the answer? Isn't, wasn't, won't, or shan't. Shan't is shall not ya. Itu singkatan dari shall sama not. And part number 4 and number 5, you have to put not. Which one? Where is it going to be? Yang mana? A, B, C, D. Di manakah yang cocok? Letakkan not. Dia harus setelah helping verb. So number 5 to helping verb-nya yang mana? Setelah itulah dia diletakkan. Okay, that's it. So thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can find me on my WhatsApp. Thank you so much and goodbye, students.